Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mobile company earn huge amount of money from the customer. Actually the mobile phone company really make you a CHEATED and they earn huge amount of money. They only sell the plastic and earn huge amount of money, but the 90% people are IDIOT, really IDIOT. So I want to show you how they make you a really DONKY and IDIOT. So this is my broken smartphone. For an example, I took this phone from damaged phone. This is Asus company. You can see here because my brother had purchased 3 years ago. Suddenly, unfortunately, one day it fallen down and the display is totally broken and it doesn't work. So this is the upper display. This is not a glass. This is a plastic. The mobile company sell a plastic. This is a plastic, and the second layer, you can see here the second layer. This device has only plastic frame, one battery, one plastic frame, and one board, just like a motherboard, and a very thin wire connected. You can see here the very thin wire. There is a wire. For SIM, and you can see here this is a plastic, aluminum plastic. This is also plastic. One layer, second layer. This is also plastic. Third layer, fourth layer is a plastic, fifth layer, totally 5 plastic layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's nothing. So you can see all the display through this material, and the top layer it has a plastic. This is a plastic, and more than 80% people are covered with this layer with a thin plastic, adhesive thin plastic. You can see here. So you can see here how the mobile company make you a very CHEAT, because lots of people spends more than 30,000 40,000 rupees, but I recommend that you buy a very cheapest smartphone. And if you want to photographer, make a DSLR mirrorless camera separately, and if you are music listener, so purchase a music device or sound device separately. So don't try to make the smartphone very smart, because this smartphone only for making a text, making a browsing, making a calling, and not for watching a video just like the TV, and not for watching a FM radio just like a FM radio, and not for photography for just like a DSLR camera. So mind it. So how the mobile company earn huge amount of money to make you a very IDIOT person. Thanks for watching.